A man charged with manslaughter after a shooting in Wilmington also appearing in court today. A judge handed Charles Lane a $50,000 bond. He was arrested and charged with involuntary manslaughter after police officers responded to a man who had been shot at an apartment off of Randall Parkway. That victim later died at the hospital. Lane is expected back in court later this month.